Well, in the first Congress Working Committee meeting, or the CWC as it's called, which is the topmost body of the Congress party, and this was after the Maharashtra debacle, one of the main topics which were obviously discussed is the road ahead and what went wrong. Mr. Kharge's opening speech as the Congress president was very scathing, but it was also very mixed. What is interesting is that ahead of the CWC meeting was to begin, there was a memorandum which was circulated by the Congress party, which talked about how action needs to be taken. It asked for a one-on-one meeting with the Election Commission because according to them, they had hard evidence to show that there was EVM tampering which took place and the electoral process was not free and upfront. But what is also very interesting is that top sources tell me that inside the CWC, many leaders who were in charge of Maharashtra or who were from Maharashtra made a larger point. While they admitted that in many areas the EVMs were not working fine and well, but to blame only the EVMs for their loss is absolutely incorrect. There are other factors, for example, not understanding the impact of the Ladki Behan Yojana, the fact that the RSS was all out, and there was groundwork intensively and aggressively being done by the Mahayuti alliance. And this is also one of the main points raised by Mr. Kharge in his speech, where he had some very scathing attacks on the party leaders. He told them that this infighting, lack of discipline is one of the main reasons why the Congress seems to be losing out on elections after elections. What has really frustrated the Congress leaders and the top leadership is the fact that the advantage they saw post the Lok Sabha results, they have been unable to reap it in the state elections like in Maharashtra. They thought that with the Marathwada issue, for example, this is one area where they could do well. So this is something that they were not able to understand. Well, Mr. Kharge made it very clear that personal interest, fighting for a position and a place, and massive infighting and lack of discipline was one of the main reasons. And that is why he's given a call once again to go back to a grassroots and how the organization has to be strengthened right from bottom to top. Interestingly, Rahul Gandhi, sources tell me, too agreed with Mr. Kharge when he said that once again the personal interests reigned supreme. They became more important than the larger good of the party. What is very interesting is that this is not the first time and possibly the last time where Rahul Gandhi may have to say it. Every time the Congress has lost in elections where it hoped to do well, like in Haryana, this is also one of the main points that Rahul Gandhi has often raised from public platforms, that what becomes very important for some party leaders is that they want a position for themselves, and that's the reason why the party does not benefit and it ends up hurting them. Will it really change things? Will the lesson be learned? That's the big question which comes in from the Congress Working Committee meeting, which ended late evening. But the fact is that is the Congress really battle ready, or once again that blame game will take place?